Imagine you're responsible for managing a family trust, an important role that means safeguarding your family's financial legacy. Your job isn't just about protecting what's already there, but also about making smart decisions to help that wealth grow and benefit future generations. Traditionally, families have relied on tried-and-true investments like stocks, bonds, and real estate. These assets have long been the foundation of most trusts, offering stability and a sense of familiarity. But the financial world is changing. Today, there's a new asset class on the scene: Bitcoin. Once dismissed as a passing tech trend, Bitcoin has become a serious contender for long-term wealth preservation. It's a decentralized digital asset, meaning it operates independently of banks and governments and is available to anyone, anywhere. For trustees, this raises a big question. Should you add Bitcoin to your family trust? And if you do, what's the best way to do it? There are two main options. The first is to buy a Spot Bitcoin ETF, which is a simple and familiar route for most investors. It lets you gain exposure to Bitcoin's price without having to manage the digital asset directly. The second option is to hold Bitcoin directly in the trust. This approach is more complex, requiring careful management of digital keys and security, but it also offers unique control and potential benefits. Each path comes with its own set of trade-offs, balancing security, accessibility, and legal clarity. It's important to weigh these factors carefully, considering your family's needs, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. In the next section, we'll break down both options in detail, so you can decide which approach fits best for your family trust and your family's future. A Spot Bitcoin ETF is like a mutual fund for Bitcoin. Big firms like BlackRock buy and store Bitcoin, then sell shares of their fund on the stock market. You buy ETF shares through your regular brokerage, no new accounts, no crypto wallets. The ETF's price tracks Bitcoin closely, and all tax reporting is handled for you. Security? The ETF's custodian, a regulated institution, handles it with enterprise-grade protection. For trust managers, this means Bitcoin fits seamlessly into existing portfolios and legal structures. You get Bitcoin exposure without the technical headaches. The alternative is direct or self-custody, Bitcoin ownership. Here, you control the cryptographic keys, your digital proof of ownership. This means using a hardware wallet and protecting a secret seed phrase, which is the master key to your Bitcoin. Lose the seed phrase, and the Bitcoin is gone forever. For a trust, this means the trustee must manage security, storage, and succession planning for digital keys. It's a hands-on approach, demanding technical know-how and meticulous documentation. The upside? Absolute control. No third parties, no counterparty risk, but the operational risks are high, and mistakes can be permanent. The main advantage of a Bitcoin ETF for trusts is its remarkable simplicity. Instead of navigating the complexities of direct cryptocurrency ownership, trustees can rely on a familiar investment vehicle that fits seamlessly into traditional financial structures. This means less time spent learning new technology and more time focusing on the trust's overall goals. Trustees don't need to be tech experts. Everything runs through a standard brokerage account, just like buying or selling stocks or mutual funds. This makes managing Bitcoin exposure as straightforward as handling any other asset in the trust. ETF shares are legally recognized, easy to transfer between accounts, and come with straightforward tax reporting. This eliminates the confusion and paperwork that can come with holding digital assets directly, making compliance and record-keeping much easier for trustees and beneficiaries alike. Security is outsourced to professionals, eliminating the risk of lost wallets or stolen keys. The ETF provider handles custody and protection, so trustees don't have to worry about technical mishaps or cyber threats. Liquidity is instant. Buy or sell during market hours with a click. There's no waiting for blockchain confirmations or dealing with illiquid markets, which means trustees can respond quickly to changes in the trust's needs or market conditions. For estate planning, ETFs integrate smoothly with existing legal and financial systems. They can be included in wills, trusts, and other estate documents without the need for special provisions or technical expertise. The ETF model minimizes operational risk and human error, providing peace of mind for trustees who want to ensure the trust's assets are managed safely and efficiently. For most trustees, it's the practical and accessible way to add Bitcoin to a trust, offering a blend of innovation and reliability that fits perfectly into modern estate planning. Still, self-custody has powerful appeal. You hold the Bitcoin directly, no reliance on institutions or intermediaries. Your Bitcoin is accessible 24/7, not limited by stock market hours. You can use it in emerging Bitcoin applications, not just watch the price. There's no risk of institutional mismanagement or seizure. For some, not your keys, not your coins, is a core principle, true financial sovereignty. In times of instability, direct ownership can be the ultimate insurance, but it demands discipline, security, and a solid inheritance plan. So, which path is truly best for a family trust looking to invest in Bitcoin? The decision isn't always straightforward, and it depends on the unique needs, skills, and goals of each family. Trustees must weigh the balance between security, ease of management, and the long-term vision for the trust's assets. ETFs do carry some counterparty risk, but they're highly regulated, insured, and designed to be user-friendly. For trustees, this means less time spent worrying about technical details, and more time focusing on the trust's overall financial health. The transparency and oversight provided by ETFs can also offer peace of mind to beneficiaries and future generations. On the other hand, self-custody gives you total control over the Bitcoin, but it comes with significant risks. The potential for loss, theft, or simple human error is high, especially for trustees who aren't tech-savvy or who may not have experience with digital assets. Managing private keys and security protocols can be daunting, and mistakes can be irreversible. For most family trusts, the ETF stands out as the safer and more practical choice. It offers a familiar structure, clear legal framework, and professional management, all of which are crucial for long-term stewardship. By wrapping Bitcoin in a regulated, accessible package, the ETF makes both management and succession planning much simpler. Trustees can easily document holdings, transfer ownership, and comply with legal requirements. This allows trustees to focus on their core responsibility, preserving and growing the family's wealth rather than becoming experts in crypto security or worrying about technical mishaps. Of course, direct ownership and self-custody may still be the best fit for those with strong technical skills and a deep commitment to self-sovereignty. For these individuals, the control and privacy of holding Bitcoin directly can be appealing. But for the vast majority of family trusts, the ETF's simplicity, security, and legal clarity make it the clear winner. It streamlines administration and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. When it comes to stewarding digital wealth for future generations, choosing the ETF is the responsible and forward-thinking path for most trust managers.